Hello everyone, welcome to part 125 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will finally start integrating the PayPal in our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so let's follow the steps that you can find under video description. Sorry, under video you can follow these steps. Okay, we are going to add the PayPal controller. Okay, so we are going to integrate the PayPal, so that's why we are going to make the PayPal controller at front, and after that we are going to update the checkout blade file, and we are going to add the PayPal payment method that the user can able to select. Okay, and there are some changes that we are going to do in checkout function, and then we will create the route for the PayPal as well. So let's start these steps. And first of all, I'm going to log in with one of the account. I can check in my MongoDB project 11 is the database, and I can check in the users collection, and this is the email, and I'm going to try to log in. Okay, so I will try to log in with this email, amit100@yahoo.com. So after login, I'm going to add one of the product in card, and I'm going to add that product in card. So product has been added in card, and after that I'm going to click on proceed to checkout, and here you can see there are various payment methods, and we have done this cash on delivery up till so far, and now we are going to work on the PayPal, and PayPal accepts the debit as well as the credit card as well. Okay, so we are going to work on PayPal. So let's follow the steps. So in the first step, we are going to see that we are going to create this PayPal controller. So I am going to run the artisan command for my project. I'm going to, this is my project 11. In Mac I will do like this, and in Windows you are required to go inside the folder, and then you can run the command with command prompt or git bash. So see, I have created the PayPal controller. I'm going to check it once that the PayPal controller has been created. Yes, the PayPal controller has been created, and after that I'm going to update the checkout blade file. I'm going to open the checkout blade file here, and we'll see that if the PayPal option is there. Okay, you can see the type radio, ID PayPal, name payment gateway, value PayPal. So the PayPal option is already there, so nothing to do. Okay, so after that I'm going to open the checkout function at product controller. So I'm going to open the product controller here at front, and we'll open the checkout function here, and here we are going to add the condition in which the payment gateway, if the payment gateway is COD, then the payment method as well as the order status is something different. Payment method is COD and order status is new. But if the payment gateway is PayPal or any other prepaid method, then we are going to make the payment method as prepaid and order status as pending. Okay, so I'm going to check it here. Okay, so we have given here that the payment method is prepaid and order status is pending. Okay, but we need to make sure that in payment gateway we are sending the PayPal as the value. Okay, so after this we will do after the order placement. Here we are going to add the another condition, like there right now it's the COD or else prepaid methods coming soon, but now we are going to add this condition, like else if the value is PayPal. So I'm going to replace it with this one, else if the payment gateway is PayPal, then we are going to redirect to the PayPal blade file. Otherwise we will write here other prepaid methods coming soon. Okay, so here you can see that we will redirect the user to the PayPal, that PayPal blade file we are going to create. But first of all we are going to create its route that we are going to add in web.php in our route file. We are going to add this route here under front group under auth. Here we are going to add this route, and we are going to create the PayPal function now in PayPal controller that we have created. We are going to add this function here. Okay, so here you can see that this function is similar to the thanks function, in which we have fetched the order details that the user have just placed the order. We have fetched the order detail with the session with the order ID, that is we are taking that order ID in session value. Okay, so we will create now the PayPal blade file, Okay, we are going to create this paper blade file in paper folder that we are going to create under sources, views, front, and under front we are going to create the new folder, and that will be called as paper, in which we are going to create the several files. The first file that we are going to create, that will be called as the paper.blade.php file, in which we are going to add the paper form. Okay, so I'm going to save this file, and now I'm going to copy this code. This code is similar to the thanks code, like the COD thanks page code. It is similar to the COD thanks page code. Okay, only difference is that we have added here the form, and this is the simple form in which we have passed that amount, and this image we have copied from that PayPal have provided. If you will search something like PayPal button, okay, PayPal buy button, PayPal order button, then you will get such kind of images, okay, that you can copy from there. So also see the amount we are going to convert INR to the dollar. Okay, so I am going to check the currency right now, like USD to INR. Its price right now, it's 83.62, so I am going to make it 84. Okay, so for the conversion, so that I can convert INR to dollar. Okay, so you can do it this for your own currency. If your website is in dollar, then you are not required to do anything, then you will simply remove this one. Okay, then you are not required to do such kind of calculation. Okay, so here I will pass that will that payment page, that I will write this code later on, but right now we are going to check up till here. uh, but here are few more things that we are going to do in this part, and that is that we are going to create the PayPal model, and we are going to create the payments collection. Okay, so the payment model as well as the collection, in which we are going to insert all the transactions. Okay, so so we are going to run this command, in which we are going to create these both things with one single command. Okay, so that we can able to create that payment model as well as the payments collection. So I will just run this command, and it has create underscore payment underscore table. I'm going to open this one, create underscore payments underscore table, and I will copy this one all code here, and will replace this one like this. Okay, so and finally see, we are going to install the OmniPay package for integrating the PayPal in our Laravel 11 series as well. Okay, so for that, this is the package that we are going to install with the composer command. Okay, so we will install this package, and because it will help us to integrate the PayPal in a easy way. Okay, so it will take few seconds to install this package. Okay, it has been done as well. So I'm going to test it once, we able to place the order or not. Okay, the PayPal order. So I'm going to select the PayPal here as the payment method, will agree to terms and condition, will click on place order. Okay, so see here we miss something very crucial. Here we need to add this PayPal controller at the top as well. Okay, so we are going to add, and this PayPal controller exists under front, so we will add here front, and here we are going to add the PayPal controller like this. Okay, so now we are going to will do the command shift R in Mac and control shift R in Windows. So I think okay, another issue, that is the session not found. Okay, so the session is not found. Here we are going to add here the session, and also another error will surely come, that is the model is not added. Okay, so we are going to add here the model as well. And one more thing we are required to do here, I will open that payment model, and I'm going to replace here with the MongoDB here. I will open any of the model here, and you can see that the MongoDB class must be look like this, and we're going to replace it with this one. Okay, so now I will go back and will again place the order. Okay, I will just open the checkout page here. So now I'm going to place the order once again. We'll select the PayPal and agree to terms and condition. We'll click on place order, and now the another error has come, because this error is coming because we have not created this route so far. So that's why this error is coming. So we are going to create the another route. Okay, but we can do one thing that we can do later on, but here I will simply do it like this. Okay, and because we just want to test that this page will come or not. Okay, uh, the rest of the things we will do in the next part. Okay, see, place order, yes, the place order is working fine. The thanks and checkout must be come here, something here uh, in center. Okay, so that changes we are going to do in our next part. Okay, we are going to make the better PayPal page, okay, in which we will also mention the wording as well. Okay, and also we are going to create the sandbox PayPal account so that we can test with that, and we will create one PayPal API. We are required to create one PayPal API. Okay, that we are going to use here so that we can able to make the transaction. Okay, so all those things will do in the next part, so please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.